So you're over 40 years old. Maybe you're 50, 60. I'm 63. Maybe you're 70. Maybe you're 82, like my friend Mike. And you want to start a YouTube channel. Well, I am going to start a course step by step how to start a YouTube channel from zero and have all the tools you need to succeed. Hi, I'm Dr. Freddie Divier. I have a channel that's 81,000 subscribers at this time. And I just started this channel from an old channel, and I decided I was going to start teaching others how to do YouTube when you're 40, 50, or beyond. And one of the things that I want you to learn is that every person has the capability to have a YouTube channel, because one thing we have that a lot of people do not have is experience in life. But when it comes to the technical part of YouTube and the things that you need to know to have a channel, whether it's that you're going to have a channel because you just want to have it for fun, for a hobby, or maybe you're thinking of making extra income, there are some technical things that you must learn to be able to be a successful YouTuber. And you're going to see in my channel that it takes time to grow a channel. It just doesn't happen one day to the next. And there are some things that you need to learn so that when finally the channel takes off and YouTube finally understands what your channel is about and starts sending your channel to different people so they can discover it, you have the knowledge of the things you need to do to be able to have a successful YouTube channel. If you go to my other channel, Dr. Alfredo L. Divier, PhD, you'll see I'm about 81,000 subscribers, I believe I have right now. And this didn't happen overnight. It took years for me to get there. And obviously, I'm working towards getting to 100,000. This channel is going to take time to take off. And the thing is that you are going to be right along me, growing in this channel, growing your channel, learning how to do it. So in this course, we're going to start a 6-month course where we're going to be teaching you all the tools you need to be successful. One of the areas that many people miss when they start a YouTube channel is understanding YouTube Studio. That is one of the most important tools you can have when you're starting a YouTube channel. Understanding YouTube Studio, understanding everything that is in YouTube Studio, understanding that YouTube Studio will give you the metrics, it will give you the analytics that you need to start understanding so you can figure out who's watching you, at what time they're watching you. You can figure out what videos are really doing well, which ones are not, what to do and what not to do. YouTube Studio is one of the lessons we're going to be focusing on in this course. And you know what? It's absolutely free. We're not going to charge not 1 cent, not 1 penny. We want to grow this channel, teaching people how to do YouTube, while they also grow their channels learning about YouTube. So if you are interested in being part of this community, subscribe to our channel and you will be every week receiving in your box a notification of a new video. The course, we're going to start it at the Thursday of every month. We'll have the class on YouTube and how to step by step start your YouTube channel and learn about the YouTube channel using YouTube Studio. We will teach other tools as we go along, but those are basically the things that I want you to understand. And make sure that you remember, as I said in one of my previous videos, you need to have a niche. Yes. Whatever you know that you're an expert on, make that your niche. But remember that the main niche is you. You are the niche. So don't forget that, because people want the knowledge that you have, the experience that you have. You have the time, you have the age, you have the experience. You can make it in YouTube. I made it. My channel, it's a theology and philosophy channel. It's mainly in Spanish. And like I said, I'm almost getting to 100,000. This channel is in English to teach you how to start a channel, make it successful, and grow, but most of all, have fun while you're doing it. So this is Dr. Freddie Didier, and this is Aging with Purpose. Subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.